Hey and welcome to Alpha One. This Sunday morning we are now going to run GPT. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now, or just use the link you find below the video and you can download this robot and get started today. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, post them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my free Forex Telegram channel, so if you're interested about that, link below the video for that also. But now, let's start up this free, amazing binary option robot. And there we have it, $167 in matter of minutes again. So if you want to run one of these robots to the left there, you can. You find a link below the video and you can download today. So with that, have an amazing day.